Grooming your pig can be a challenge, or it can be a real pleasurable experience. If you start off when they're very young and you start giving them baths, you'll find that they can enjoy it very much. A secret to giving them a bath is do not turn on the water while they're in the bathtub. Prepare everything beforehand, before you put that little piggy in the bathtub or in the shower. Then also you can be perpetually feeding them something. Cheerios work great because they float on the water. Don't worry about getting any soap in their mouth or anything. They can eat a little soap, doesn't hurt them one bit. And then when you're done shampooing them, you'll want to just gently clean the ear, the outside of the ear where you can see the dirt. You can clean that off. Don't try to clean the dirt that's down into the ear. It could give your pig an ear infection. The eyes are also quite easy to clean, and they can be very weepy. If your pig's eyes are runny, you might look very closely to see if they have an eyelash that might be on the eyeball. That's called entropion, and a simple surgery can sometimes correct that. You can also just use a washcloth. I recommend that you wrap it around your finger and then that you just rub the eye very gently so that the pig is not disturbed by the washcloth. On a daily basis, you can groom your pig with a very hard bristle brush, almost like a scrub brush, because that will exfoliate all of that dead, dry skin. And they don't have dandruff, they just have really thick skin, so as those skin cells die, it looks like it's really dandruff. All pigs have it, it's not just your pig. Grooming can be part of your interaction with your pig every day. They love to be groomed and they love your touch. So groom often.